Saildon Incorporation and the USA's National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) have released the first video footage gathered by an uncrewed surface vehicle (USV) from inside a major hurricane barreling across the Atlantic Ocean. The Saildon Explorer SD-1045 was directed into the midst of Hurricane Sam, a Category 4 hurricane. SD-1045 is battling 50-foot waves and winds of over 120 miles per hour to collect critical scientific data, and in the process is giving us a completely new view of one of Earth's most destructive forces. This video footage was taken on September 30th, 2021. The video is silent as Saildon was unable to record sound. Equipped with a specially designed hurricane wing enabling it to operate in extreme wind conditions, SD-1045 is braving Hurricane Sam in the open ocean, collecting real-time observations for numerical hurricane prediction models, which are expected to yield new insights into how large and destructive tropical cyclones grow and intensify. SD-1045 is one of a fleet of 5 hurricane Saildons that have been operating in the Atlantic Ocean during hurricane season, gathering data around the clock to help understand the physical processes of hurricanes. This knowledge is critical to improving storm forecasting and is expected to reduce loss of human life by allowing better preparedness in coastal communities.